The average American uses over 100 rolls of toilet paper every year, a fact that underscores the staggering $100 billion revenue generated by the global toilet paper industry. But have you ever wondered how toilet paper is made? The process is far more intricate than it may seem, starting in forests and ending as the soft, indispensable product we use every day. Join us as we explore this fascinating journey. It all begins with the collection of wood from forests, a task performed by specialized machines known as timber harvesters. These 18-ton machines are marvels of engineering, capable of felling trees, removing their branches, and cutting the trunks into logs, all within the span of a single minute. However, not all wood is used for toilet paper. Only the trunks that are crooked or deemed unsuitable for furniture production are selected, ensuring that high-quality wood is reserved for other purposes. This careful selection process helps maintain a balance in the forest ecosystem. Once harvested, the wood is transported to processing sites where it is prepared for transformation into pulp. The first step involves removing the bark from the trunks, a process that ensures as much usable wood as possible is preserved. Afterward, the logs are washed in a water bath to clear away dirt and debris, and then they pass through a metal detector to ensure no stray nails or screws damage the machinery further down the line. The debarked wood is then fed into machines equipped with rotating knives, which chop the logs into uniform wood chips. These chips, now ready for the next stage, are stored in massive piles. This entire process is crucial for producing high-quality pulp. The journey continues as the wood chips are converted into pulp. This process takes place in industrial tanks called decomposers, where the chips are chemically cooked for up to 3 hours. During this cooking process, moisture in the wood is reduced significantly, leaving behind a mixture of cellulose fibers, lignin, a natural binding agent, and other substances. From each batch, approximately 15 tons of usable pulp are produced, ready to be transformed into paper. The pulp is then refined and formed into large rolls of paper, which are transported to various locations for further processing. In addition to wood, recycled paper is another vital raw material in the production of toilet paper. This material undergoes a rigorous sorting and cleaning process to ensure it is free from contaminants. Advanced machines separate the recyclable paper from non-recyclable junk, such as cardboard and plastic, using sophisticated sensors and blasts of air. Once sorted, the recycled paper is broken down in a series of washing stations that remove ink and other impurities, resulting in a clean pulp. While this process is labor-intensive, it is also more environmentally friendly than relying solely on wood pulp. The clean pulp is then transformed into new rolls of toilet paper, ready for use. With the pulp prepared, whether from wood or recycled paper, it is time to transform it into actual paper. This is done using an enormous machine, 120 meters long, that completes the task in 4 stages. The pulp is first spread onto a large mesh screen, where water drains away, leaving behind a thin layer of fibers. This layer is then pressed to remove even more water, before being guided through heated rollers that evaporate any remaining moisture. Finally, the paper is smoothed and refined to remove creases, resulting in a continuous sheet of solid paper. Despite its complexity, this entire process takes just 7 seconds to complete. The transformation from pulp to paper is a fascinating journey, showcasing the marvels of modern engineering. Quality control ensures that each roll meets the highest standards before it reaches consumers. The paper sheet is then crept to give it the soft, slightly wrinkled texture we associate with toilet paper. This involves scraping the paper off a large dryer with a metal blade, a step that makes the paper thin and flexible, yet strong enough to hold its form. The completed sheets are rolled onto massive reels, some weighing as much as 5 tons, and are now ready for the final transformation. In the last stage, the paper is processed by a machine called a toilet paper roller, which is 80 meters long and produces up to 500,000 rolls each day. Several reels of paper are unwound at once, layering the sheets according to whether the final product will be 2-ply or 3-ply. Patterns are printed onto the paper, and a technique called micro-embossing is applied to add volume and enhance softness. Finally, the paper is rolled onto cardboard tubes and cut into smaller rolls, ready for packaging and distribution. Throughout this process, strict quality control measures are in place. Paper companies often maintain their own tree farms to ensure a consistent supply of high-quality wood. Every aspect of production, from the chemicals used to the temperature of the machines, is carefully monitored. Even the finished rolls are tested for properties like stretch, moisture content, and smoothness to ensure they meet the high standards expected by consumers. Toilet paper may seem like a simple product, but its creation is a fascinating blend of precision, innovation, and sustainability. From the forest to the shelves, each step in the process reflects a commitment to efficiency and care. The next time you use a roll, take a moment to appreciate the complex journey it has undergone to reach your home. The softness and strength of each roll are the results of meticulous engineering and quality control. Workers in the factory play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of the machines and the quality of the final product. Environmental sustainability is also a key focus, with many companies recycling paper waste and using eco-friendly practices. The use of advanced machinery and technological advancements has revolutionized the paper production process, making it more efficient and sustainable. Before the rolls are packaged, they undergo a final inspection to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. Once approved, the rolls are packaged and prepared for distribution, ready to meet the needs of consumers around the world. So the next time you reach for a roll, remember the incredible journey it has taken from the forest to your home.